Hi there, today we're going to review the Sametop bike handlebar mount for your GoPro or action camera. Comes with everything that you need. Just add your GoPro to it. Comes with a couple different adapters for different size bars, poles, or handlebars. It locks very well. Comes with instructions to show you how to do the install. Everything you need is ready to go. So we went out there. We didn't have to use the sleeves. You can use a little bit of tape underneath there. You just add your standard GoPro or action camera, and you're able to lock it in place, and it's secure. It mounts very well and has great adaptability to really anywhere you want to connect it. And it is sturdy. You can also rotate the direction of your GoPro. It's got a locking ring, and so you can lock it into different directions to get the perfect angle. It's a great product, and we highly recommend it. Pick one up today.